Hello everyone, this is Robyn. Welcome to mypinkstamper.com. I'm so happy that you're with me today. I'm going to share a fairly simple project using our free skate stamp set as well as the, what are they called? The detailed skate framelits. It's a very simple card. It's monochromatic and it's just so gorgeous. I love it so much. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. I will have all of the items listed on the screen. And if I have any paper cut, I have the sizes on there as well. Everything you see in today's video can be ordered directly from my shopping page, shop.mypinkstamper.com. Everything's at the end of the video, as well as in the description of this video. Okay, so I'll hop right in. This shouldn't be a very long video for you guys today. All right, there's only a little bit of stamping, and we'll do that in just a second. We will start with a piece. This is just a quarter sheet of our petal pink cardstock. And I'm gonna put that on here like this. And then I'm using the skates from the Detailed Skates framelit set. Hopefully that's big enough. I didn't even measure. I might need a little bit bigger of a piece. Okay, let me grab a piece right behind me. And I have one right here ready to go. I'll not do a lot of editing out of the video, so you get to see my whole thought process. All right, perfect. Yeah, that was just a little bit too small. Okay, so I'm gonna roll this through once and I'm gonna roll it back because the skates are very detailed, like the name of the dies state. Okay. Pop these out. And then I'm going to start popping this out as well. I'm going to get, oops, pull that out like that. Let me get my skate, other part of my skate off here, set that aside. And now I'm going to use our Take Your Pick tool. And if you take the spatula out and you turn it around, you have the paper piercer. And then the other side is putty to pick up small pieces. So you can just simply poke out these pieces. Try not to poke your finger because that would be pretty painful. I usually just go like this with my fingernail first, and then I'll just poke out what's left over. What if I need to do that or not? Okay. And then I'm gonna put that in my hand and throw it in the garbage can. I promise I'm not just gonna throw it on my floor today because I did just vacuum and that's kind of messy. There's a bunch of little pieces. Oh, some of them got my floor. That's all right. Okay. That's what I get. All right, I'm gonna turn this over and I'm gonna use our multi-purpose glue, which I absolutely love for detailed pieces and smaller pieces. I'm just going to kind of squeeze it and get a little bit of a line here. That's a little bit big, so I'm gonna use it on other parts. And this dries clear, which is really nice. And some crafters like to use this on their cards, the back of their whole card as well. I prefer our snail for that, but you gotta find out what you like and what you prefer. And I can put this right on top of the skate and just line it up. Just kind of, it moves a little bit while it hasn't set. And then turn it over, give it a little bit of a rub, little massage. Okay, now I can set that aside. Isn't that so gorgeous? I love it. All right, now I'm going to finish up this card. I am going to take this piece here of Whisper White cardstock. This is cut at 3.5 by 4 3/4 inches. And I'm going to use the Petal Pink ink pad that coordinates with the cardstock. And I'm going to use the sentiment from the stamp set that says, "You make my heart spin." I'm going to ink that up. This is going to go on the bottom right here. Ta-da. And now I'm going to use our corrugated embossing folder. All right, and now I'm going to take a piece of our Whisper White cardstock again. This is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4, and I'm just going to put this in. I love the corrugated folder because it's very deep, so you get a very deep impression in it. and I like to sometimes switch it up and go do it a little bit off center. I'm going to do this one so it's just straight across, so it'll look like white corrugated paper. And I'm going to run it through the Big Shot. And quickly do that, set that aside. Pull this out here. Here we go. Isn't that so fun? Look at that. Gorgeous. Now we're going to take a piece of petal pink cardstock again. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And I'm just going to fold this in half with a bone folder. Okay, now I can start putting this together. I'm going to go ahead and add the corrugated embossed paper. Now, a little tip for you when you're using embossed paper, it's a good idea to put your adhesive all around the 4 sides of the back. This helps it to stay down on your paper, on your project. Otherwise, it might want to pop up and be a little wiggly. All right. Okay, there we go. Really give it a good massage on there. Okay, now we're going to do something fun. We are going to take this piece of Whisper White and we're going to take this beautiful petal pink ribbon, and I'm just going to take a little bit of a snippet of it. And I'll grab a little adhesive and put it right here, and that's going to attach to that. Then I'm just going to wrap it around. I didn't even need that much because really on the back it doesn't matter. I'm going to wrap it around so it's on there like that. Now while this is upside down, I can add some adhesive to it, and I can stick this right on top of this. Okay, now to finish this project, I need to do one more of the skates, and I'm going to do it off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, now we're going to take one of the skates, and I'm just going to add adhesive to the back of it, maybe a little bit on the blades, and I'm going to have this just kind of go right here. It's going to hang down. Trying to see where I want to hang down, right there. And now I'm going to take the other skate and I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back of it. So I'll just do 3. And then I also have our mini dimensionals that fit nicely right here. Or you can cut a dimensional in half if you don't have our babies yet, our minis. All right, so I'm going to add that right here, just a little bit off. It just looks like hanging skates, right? Like the peach. My mom, I think she had the peach skates. She grew up in Montana and she skated all the time. Okay, I'm going to take this beautiful petal pink ribbon and I'm just going to make a quick little bow and pull it through like this and pull it through. I want it to be kind of just really pretty and fun. Okay, and I want it to hang down quite a bit. So I'm going to just cut this part off here. And I'm going to take our glue dots. Where are my glue dots? Here they are. The glue dots, and I'm going to add one to the back of the ribbon. And it's going to hang right here. So pretty. Look at this, you guys. It's such a really, I just love this card so much. So thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed my quick video tutorial. You can find more tutorials, videos, projects, giveaways on my blog, mypinkstamper.com. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.